How to appear offline on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So first, before heading on to the Instagram app, let's first visit the App Store over here. Or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for Instagram. So what we're going to do is to check if our Instagram app is up to date. So just tap on Instagram. And if it says open right here, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date. If it shows an update button, just tap on the update and so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to appear offline on Instagram. Once you have made sure of that your Instagram is up to date, just go ahead and open up Instagram and go to your profile settings. To do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and click on the 3-bar line at the top right corner right here and click on settings. Now you should see the search bar right over here, so let's just tap on that and type in activity status. So it should show up right here, right above the search results, And to appear offline on Instagram, you can just click on this toggle button right here. So just tap on this so that it will turn gray and tap on this right here again. So showing the activity status, that means that you want to show if you are online. So if you don't want to show to people that you're online, if you want to appear offline, just turn these options off under the activity status, and that so that they will not know if you are active on Instagram. So that is how you can basically appear offline on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.